Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to get the easiest updo of your life. It's going to save you so much time anytime you decide to wear it, but especially this holiday season. All you're gonna need are a few bobby pins and some texturizing spray, that's kind of optional, and some hairspray. So grab some bobby pins that are close to the color of your hair. Today I have my favorite bobby pins of all time. I buy them at Sally's, but you can also get them on Amazon. They are just the best. This is Meta Grip and this is the blonde shade. So you can see the length of my hair. This is actually a hairstyle I used to wear a lot in the 2000s. It's really quick. It's just a quick, messy French twist, but with some sprigs. I will show you how to get those little sprigs, but also how to tuck those. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you have fine hair like I do, texturizing spray is going to give you a little more grip as well as create a little more hair than you actually have on your head. So this will have an easier time staying up all day. I'm just gonna apply my favorite texturizing spray really quickly through the ends. It's Kevin Murphy's Do-Over Spray. And you can create more volume right here at the crown of the head with some texturizing spray. Now, all you do, let that settle for a second. This will also work on hair that's a little bit shorter than mine. You'll have just like the cute little, early 2000s sprig. But if you have longer hair, this will also work. You'll just need to twist it a little more. All right, so I'm gonna turn around and raise my voice so you can hear me. All right, so the messier, the better, but we want our hair to hold, so keep that in mind. So go ahead, grab your hair, and what you're gonna do is grab like you're holding a low ponytail, twist and flip your hair up like that. At this point, grab your first bobby pin because you will need it. Then you're gonna take what's underneath this hand here and twist it over, right like that. Grab your first bobby pin, go towards your ear. The bobby pin will grab some hair and turn it back around and tuck it in to that twist, and it will eventually become invisible. So now I'm just going to place probably 4 to 5 bobby pins up through the twist, going up towards the top of my head. And you will feel once your hair is secure and you can stop adding bobby pins. So again, the bobby pin is going towards my ear. I'm gonna turn it back around and go towards the other ear, jackknifing that bobby pin right there. And already my hair is secure because I'm doing this method with just 2 bobby pins. I'm going to grab one more bobby pin, and again at the bottom, go towards my ear, turn it around, and go towards my other ear. Now, you can leave it like this with a cute little, like sprig twist deal. Do you see that? How quick that was? I used, 4 bobby pins, and boom, you can leave it like this. Or if you want those sprigs of hair, say your hair's frizzing a little bit that day, grab yourself another bobby pin, and depending on how long your hair is and how much you have sticking out, will depend on how many bobby pins you want to use. So I'm going to continue the twist. I'm going to grab the top of this little sprig and just fold it down, grab my bobby pin, go towards my ear, grabbing that hair, and then going towards the other ear. I'm going to take the rest of that tail and tuck it in, hold it in place, grab one more bobby pin, and I'm gonna go with that bobby pin up towards the top of my head, turn it around, going towards the nape of my neck. And then now you have a complete twist with nothing sticking out of it, which is so so much more formal than the other way with the, you know, the sprigs sticking out. So this looks more like a formal type holiday vibe, or you can take these bobby pins right out and go a little more casual with it. So again, one last look, because I am gonna take the little sprigs out because I like it that way. So this is with everything tucked in. You can spray it down like this, or you can remove those bobby pins right like so, find your little sprigs again, and pull them up and out. And now you have a little more of a modern French twist mixed with the early 2000s. All right, I'm gonna turn right around. I'm gonna pull some hair out right like that, and then take my hairspray. I like the Kevin Murphy Stronghold hairspray. You can brush it right out and it doesn't snag your hair. And then now you have a very finished, cute, modern French twist with little sprigs going on. Now this is great for all year round, but it's especially great for the holiday season because say it's second day hair, or you have different events to go to and you can wear it casual or tuck those little things in real quick right at the last minute and become more formal. Or it's second day hair and you have another holiday event, you can quickly do this twist with short, medium, or long hair. If you have longer hair, again, just adjust the amount of bobby pins and the amount of hairspray you need to use. I've also done this hairstyle on naturally, just like air dried hair, but I did have my hair styled beforehand. If you would like to see how I style my hair, I will link that tutorial below. But let me know if you try this out this very, very busy holiday season, or whenever you're watching this. This is definitely an updo for all year round. Let me know if you give it a go. And thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my hair tutorials. I have a whole playlist. Honestly, my hair tutorial videos are my most loved on my channel. So thank you so much for watching them and giving me feedback. So please give this video a thumbs up if you do in fact enjoy my hair tutorials. Lets me know to create more, and I will, obviously. And subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you in this beautiful, wonderful, positive community. That way you won't miss any hair tutorials from me or makeup tutorials, because I do both. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.